Hello everybody and welcome to my Java tutorial on PrintWriters. Today I'll be going over just how to use basic PrintWriters to do file outputs. And yeah, I was going to say input, but I don't think I'm going to be doing file input today, so just output. So here I just have my main method as well as my main class set up. And so what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to create a JFrame called frame equal to a new JFrame. And then we have to import from JFrame just like that. And then actually I'm going to declare these up here. So I'm just going to call this private, and then I'll call these my frame objects, and then I'll say frame attributes. So we'll say frame.setSize. We'll set the size to be, how about, on the X we'll do 400, on the Y we'll do maybe like 200. Then we'll say frame.setLayout to null. Then we also want to say frame.setDefault close operation to jframe.exit on close. And we want to say frame.setVisible to true, frame.setResizable false. So let's see what that looks like. Alright, that looks pretty good. And then I'm also going to go up here, I'm going to create a private JTextField called txtData equal to a new JTextField. Whoops. And then we have to import JTextField, just like that. And then we can go down here, we say txtData attributes, txtData.setSize. We'll set the size to, how about, make it about the length of the screen. So we'll set that to, what did I say, 400? 400, and then the Y will do like 20. And then txtData.setLocation to X will make it 0, Y will make it 0 as well. So then we just want to say add frame objects frame.add.txtData. Just like that. Let's see how that looks. Alright, got a text field right there. Then next thing we can do is we can create our button. So we'll say a private J button called btn_write equal to a new J button. And I think then we have to import from JButton. And then we want to say btn_write attributes btn_write, did I spell that right? Yeah. Set size, we'll set the size to be, how about x100, y, actually x150, then y will do about 50. btn_write.set text, we'll set the text to write, how about? And then we'll say btn_write.set location to be about x, we'll make that 100, y will make it 100. We'll just see how that looks. We can change it. Oh, whoops. Then we have to frame.add our btn_write here. So now if we run that, we want to adjust that. So on the x we can make that, how about 30. On the y, let's make that 70. Oh, whoops, I keep messing that up. I meant to do it like that. There we go. And then x, we can make it again like 100. And then maybe 30. See, this is why I hate adding objects like this, because, okay. So, we got that. Then the next thing we want to do is we'll do btn_write click event here. We'll say btn_write.add an action listener, a new action listener. And then we have to import action listener and then add our unimplemented functions. And then just fix the spacing. just like that. And then on our click event, we actually want to go up here and we'll just call these like file vars, or like file variables, and then we want to say our print writer called just outputs. And then we don't want to actually set it equal to a new print writer, because print writers take in a parameter of the path, and we want the user to be able to set the path. So then next thing we want to say is we just want to do a string called path, just like that. And then we want to say on our click event, we want to open a j option pane.show input dialog, enter path, oops, and we want to set path equal to this. Path is equal to that, so the path will be set to whatever the user enters for the path, and then our output print writer will be equal to a new print writer, and it will be on whatever path it took there. And then we have to surround this with a try and catch. And then actually on the file not found exception, we're going to do a j option pane.show message dialog, set first to null, and we'll say could not find path, so could not find the path. But if it can find the path, then what we want to do is we just want to say output.println is how you write to it, and then we want to print line to our txt.data.getText, just like that. And then we want to say output.close, and then we'll just do a j option pane.show message dialog null, and then data successfully written to plus path, just like that. So now if we go here and we run this, and I'll say something like hello file, and then we write this, and then we want to write this to a path. I thought I had a path copied in here. Let me just get my path for how you can get the path of something, whoops, is you could just like go into its properties and then get its location. And so if we want to write this to our desktop, like I'm going to do, I'm going to paste that in there, and I'm going to say /test.txt, and then I'll hit OK, and data was successfully written. As you can see, test.txt appeared here, and then our data is written inside of it. And that's exactly what we wanted to happen. So yeah, that's how you can use PrintWriters to create a basic file output system. All the source code will be down in the description. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.